Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by authenticating because every Calendly API call needs a valid token. Create a developer app and capture client ID, client secret, and redirect URI. Once done, choose a personal access token for quick testing or run the OAuth 2 code flow for production tokens, and exchange the code for an access token. Then make a basic get to /users/me with authorization. Bearer token to confirm credentials and see your user ID so you can target event types and webhooks. Now you build calls that create or schedule events, use event type URIs, or post to the event types and point to define durations, buffer, and availability windows. Next, craft the scheduling request with start time, time zone, and invitees array containing email and name, and set location or join URL parameters as needed. Also register webhooks for events. Created and events. Canceled so your system receives real-time updates. Make sure to verify webhook signatures and design idempotency in case of retries. Finish by wiring the API into your app. Securely store access and refresh tokens, implement automatic refresh and rotate keys periodically, and map Calendly event ID to your database records. Then run end-to-end tests. Create events, verify webhook callbacks, and confirm calendar invites arrive. If something goes wrong, first check scope permissions and the redirect URI. Also inspect response headers for rate limit 429 and validate the webhook signature. These are the most common causes of.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.